run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now.
Adventure. Today I'm excited to take you on the journey to one of the hidden gems of the Philippines, the Mount Parawagan. Located in situ Rodriguez. Mount Parawagan may have difficulty rating 3 out of 9, standing at 475 meters above sea level. It is the perfect adventure for both beginners and hikers. The hike to the summit typically takes around 2 to 3 hours. Parawagan offers a spectacular view, one side showing the view of Metro Manila, while the other side shows the breathtaking landscape. Hey everyone, so I'm Jamaica Anamilo, and today I'm going to show you the things that we need to bring on a hiking. Let's go!
This is my desire that I want to hit this party. Cool down.
And here are some towels and extra clothes in case we need it. We also have here a hygiene. Of course, the first aid and the medicine kit. Of course, some food supply. And we must also bring some easy to carry water supply. And some kitchen tools or equipment. Some essential things, a fan and a flashlight. And lastly, some materials that we must bring. And since we packed all our things, we must say goodbye now and always take care.
Mga dapat gawin at dalhin bago umakyat ng bundok. Una, i-check muna ang panahon bago umakyat ng bundok. At pangalawa, magbaon ng first aid kit. At pangatlo, kailangan may dala kang pagkain, damit, tubig. At pangapat, mas magandang may kasama kung umakyat ng bundok kasi ay delikadong gawin mag-isa. Panglima, kailangan alam ng bawat isa ang kanyang mga plano. Kasi kung hindi nila alam o kung hindi mo alam ang plano ng iyong kasama, ikaw ay mahihirapan hanapin siya kung sakaling aalis siya. At huli, samahan lagi ng dasal sa mga gagawing plano.